Aging is a natural part of life, and how we nourish our bodies can make a huge difference in how we feel as the years go by. As we age, our metabolism slows down and our nutrient absorption may change, making it more important than ever to choose foods that truly support our health and energy. Welcome to Healthy World, where we make healthy living simple, inspiring, and achievable at every age. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly wellness tips. As our calorie needs decrease with age, our nutrient needs remain the same or even increase. That's why focusing on nutrient-dense foods is essential. Protein supports strength and mobility. Calcium and vitamin D keep bones strong, and omega-3 fatty acids protect the heart and brain. Colorful fruits and vegetables provide powerful antioxidants to fight inflammation and support long-term health. Hydration and fiber are just as important. Staying well hydrated helps prevent common health issues like urinary tract infections, while fiber supports healthy digestion and energy levels. Reducing sodium and choosing whole, unprocessed carbs can also support heart health and steady energy throughout the day. Many older adults face specific challenges like appetite changes, lower absorption, or deficiencies. Regular checkups, simple meal planning, and, if needed, supplements can help keep nutrition on track. But nutrition isn't just about what's on the plate. Movement, social connection, and quality sleep play a big role too. Gentle exercise like walking or swimming helps maintain muscle and bone strength. Staying socially connected boosts appetite, mood, and overall well-being. And good sleep ensures your body can properly repair and absorb nutrients. Healthy aging is about small, consistent habits that nourish your body and soul. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Healthy World, and share in the comments one healthy habit that's helped you or a loved one feel stronger with age.